Hello, this is old Mr. Kent, or MrKent.com, and I've got a few new toys, and I want to talk to you. I got quite a bit to cover in this video, actually, so I will explain a few things. First of all, I have found a really good app for my Triple Tech tablet, and if I can remember it all. Anyway, the tablet has a really good microphone, and so I found a good app so I could do this and be live with my audio while I'm flying the drone and recording video. So I'll explain that a little bit. I'll put some links to where I got it and so forth. Also, if you notice, I have a new sun shield, and I can't get up to, well, actually, I got, let's see if I can get close with this. Oh, let me see. I'll just zoom in a lot. Hang on. All right. As you can see, if I got it in the right place, and I'm not sure I did, but as you can see, it's just held on with little Velcro dots, and it's just a piece of black poster board, and it's long and narrow and folded, and so I'll put the dimensions, or I'll give you the information anyway, on how to do, if you have a Triple Tech tablet, that makes for a nice shield. I did the pin striping, so you'll have to just do your own. And then I've also got that new app. So those are a couple new things that give me the opportunity to do what I like to do. So anyway, I'm going to zoom back out here. Whoop, wrong direction. Yeah, there we go. Now we're back like we're supposed to be. First of all, we had a windstorm early this morning, and so we had you had some damage. So we're going to go take a look at that and check and see if there's some other things that I need to check. So I'm going to turn this baby around. All right. By the way, I have to confess, in my last video I showed how to use the gimbal advanced gimbal adjustments, and in order to do that well, I had reviewed one of my favorite channels, and it's called the Tech Drone Media channel. Guy is really smart and very interesting to listen to. So I looked at his and I saw how he taught it, and so I thought, well, that's how I'm going to teach it. So the first thing I want to do is go over here. Are we up high enough? I guess we are. And see if any of the roofing material that my son has up above blew off into the pig's pond. And it didn't. But the roofing material he's got laying up on the top of his container. And the other day, it got blown off. So anyway, so we know that's okay. And it looks like well, let's see. Let's just go ahead and go on around here. And I'm going to get out of cinematic mode and get into normal mode so we can go somewhere. First of all, a sad thing, we'll go over here and come down. Maybe I should get back into cinematic mode. Let's do that, because I got to get up close over here. And as you can see, we lost a limb off of that beautiful tree that hung out over the driveway, which if you follow me when I come home from my bike rides, I right underneath that limb just before I stopped. So anyway, that brand of tree, and I can't remember the name of it, it's not important, but it's green, has green bark, and it's not uncommon for them to break in a windstorm. So that's kind of a sad thing. My son is at a camping trip with my grandson, so they're out having fun, and I sent him a picture of this, and sad thing is it was a beautiful little tree. Now there's still some left of it, so he's still got a nice tree, but it's just sad to see those kind of things happen. So that's the damage that occurred because of the windstorm, and we also had a little bit of rain, but it wasn't too bad. We had some rain with it, and it didn't last long. So, and by the way, in my last video, let's take a look at this tree. Like I said, I taught a little tutorial on how to adjust the advanced settings on the gimbal. So see, we still have a nice tree there. It's just not as full as it was. All right. So anyway, and I would appreciate your comments. Normally, I can't record the audio while I'm flying because I didn't have any kind of a microphone. But I found out this microphone on the TripleTech tablet is really good quality, and then I found out if I got an app that would work while I was flying, just to record audio, and so I got that, and it was free. So I want to thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.